Hey weavers, Tim here again, and this simple and easy water bottle carabiner sling is great as it can work for small or large bottles, and you can clip it or hang it for easy access, especially if your bag doesn't have a water bottle pocket. I'll be showing you two versions, so let's get right into it. In terms of materials, I'm using gold as my main color and orange for the second version. I've also got my carabiner, and I'm also using a schmuckatelli bead. With my gold cord, I'm going to find the midpoint, and then with the two running ends, I'm going to pass the left strand through the front of the carabiner, and the right through the back of the carabiner. I'm going to pull the slack through and leave a loop that's about 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters long. You can adjust this to your liking. Now from here, I'm going to tie Cobra Knots by laying the left cord over the core, right on top of that one, and then behind and out the crook on the left. Firm up the first knot, but you won't be able to pull it too tight just yet. Continue with the second knot. This time the right side goes over the core, left side on top, and then behind and out the crook on the left. Now you can pull the knots tight and pull down on the core strands too. So always leading with the same cord, repeat this process and tie a 3.5 inch or 8.5 centimeter section going down your core. Once you get to the desired length, I'm going to leave the last Cobra knot a little loose, and on the back of the piece, I'm going to pass the now left side end under the last knot to the same side as the opposite cord. This is just for the clean finish and it's optional. From here, we can snip and melt the excess and press down on the cords to lock them in place. Now for the beaded version, we're going to take a piece of microcord or any thinner diameter cord for that matter and loop it around the 550 loop. Then we can pass the microcord ends through the bottom of the bead and pull the 550 cord through. Now we have our bead slider, and I should mention that whatever bead you use, the inner bore must be wide enough for two strands to get through, but still have enough friction so that it doesn't just loosely move around or else it won't work. You can also use one of those cord locks if you have them. If you don't have a bead or a cord lock, we can just take a short piece of paracord, about 1 foot or 30 centimeters, and I'm just going to tie 3 Cobra knots tightly to make a small bead. This will now be our slider. Another option would be to tie a Celtic button knot. And there we have it, weavers, a simple Cobra knot carabiner water bottle sling. I think this beaded version looks great, and it will work just great as well for attaching your water bottle to your bag or pack. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and will have fun making one. A huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters who make videos like this possible. If you want access to exclusive content and the Weavers of Eternity Discord and want to support the channel directly, please feel free to check out my Patreon page. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support the channel by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. If you enjoyed the content here, please feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.